Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be taking trade based on volume and price analysis. I wanted to do a 1 minute put trade, but it went for 2 minutes, and I prefer it like this because this candle may not be closing as a red candle, it may close as a green candle, but definitely by the end of the last minute of this remaining time we are going to get a red candle. Okay, yes, by the end of this candlestick pattern that is running right now, we are going to get a red candlestick. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like, share this channel, this YouTube channel with your contacts and your friend and those you think may find this information useful. So what do we have here? We are having an uptrend, an upcoming uptrend, sorry, an existing uptrend that is going to face a reversal. This is the part of the reversal happening now. Yeah, the reversal is happening. The trend is not strong anymore, so at this point sellers are fighting to come in, buyers are struggling to come inside, sellers are struggling to come inside at the same time. But we are in a region where sellers will definitely overcome buyers, so that's why I'm going with this trade like this. So let's go to our next trade, and in our next trade I definitely will go again with sellers because sellers will still, the battle is still going to continue, and definitely seller is still going to take the trade down for the short term. Sellers will take the trade down. Why? Because this is where buyers were strong. Now sellers are going to be taking the market down. So let me see if, okay, let me see, I think there is the first trade we took, which is this trade. I think the pattern, I have something like that here, whereby we have the retracement candle, we have two retracement candles. Let me see if I have it here. Okay, something like this. Okay, this is what we have here, something like this, and this, whereby we have the end of the trend. We are at the end of the downtrend already. We have the retracement candles back, whereby buyers are coming in but sellers still take the market down, and this is what we have here, and this is what we have here as well. Okay, this is it here, this is it here. So you have to study the ebook. For those of you who have gotten it, you have to study just a little bit and you will be good to go in no time. So okay, this is what we have. So let's go back to our charts and let me explain this trade so that oh, my network is bad now, so that the video is not going to take too long. Okay, let's start with this. As we can see, we had an uptrend, we had an uptrend market here, an uptrending market here, and the market was kind of moving in a trend line though, and now we got this breakout. When we got this breakout, there is something I want you to notice. After this breakout, we begin to see this long upper wicks with increasing volume. We had another upper wick, increasing volume, as you can see, and now we had a reversal candlestick pattern, which is an engulfing candlestick with increasing volume. So this theory alone has shown me that the trend is weak. This theory signals alone has shown me that the trend is weak. So with that, I said, okay, if the trend is weak, let's look for a confirmation, and this candlestick, which is a bullish candlestick, a buyer's candlestick, came with a low volume. This is the final confirmation. That's why I waited for this market to get to this point so that I can do a put trade, but it did not. When the expiration time was already over, I did a put trade, knowing that the candle is going to run to this next trade and will be in the money. And so this is what we got. We were in the money. Same thing with the second trade, the next trade, which is this. Since this candlestick is the beginning, it's like a fresh candlestick, this low volume no longer means anything to it, because at this point the volume can be low, it can be high. This is already a seller's area, it means nothing. So when this volume came, low volume, I went again with this put. No, now at this point with this low candlestick, we are having this high volume. This is an anomaly, so we have to watch the market, because the market may not continue to go down as it should. It may come up here to test this level and break it up. So like I said, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new here. If you have a question, you can leave your question in the comment section. You need the ebook, my contact address will be at the description of this video. So until next time, take care and bye bye.